So let's take a slightly more interesting example that uses pretty much this exact same code, and all we're going to swap out is this internal section here. So if you're not familiar with it, a sigmoid function is commonly used in AI to do activation within a neural network. So we're just going to initialize the array, get some interesting stuff out of it. And then if you're not familiar, this is what the sigmoid function is. So for each element of our array, we're going to do this computation. And we can write this in very succinct Chapel code, no loops required, just kind of writing, we're doing our computation on the device array and assigning back into the device array, and then copying back to the host. So this here will get turned into a loop, which will then become a single GPU kernel. And of course, if we don't have GPUs, it will still be a parallel loop. It's just not going to be run on the GPU. So we'll see that in action on file. So there's our CPU version, and we'll print it out. And we'll run the GPU version as well. And so again, we have our kernel launches coming from something that just does not look like a loop at all. But this is the full computation.